kids. Let's learn the numbers. This is the face of the caterpillar. And it looks like a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1. Is it 2? No, no, no. Is it 2? Yes. Is it 3? No, no, no. Is it 3? Yes. Is it 4? No, no, no. Is it 4? Yes. Is it 5? No, no, no. Is it 5? Yes. Is it 6? No, no, no. Is it 6? Yes. Is it 7? No, no, no. Is it 7? Yes. Is it 8? No, no, no. Is it 8? Yes. Is it 9? No, no, no. Is it 9? Yes. Is it 0? No, no, no. Is it 0? Yes. Now it's coloring time. Yellow color. Pink color. Pink color. Red color. Color the one. One. Orange color. Color the two. Two. Green color. Color the three. Three. Sky blue color. Color the four. Four. Yellow color. Color the five. Five. Bottle green color. Color the six. Six. Blue color. Color the seven. Seven. Pink color. Color the eight. Eight. Purple color. Color the nine. Nine. Orange color. Color the zero. Zero. Green color. Blue color. Orange color. Pink color. Bottle green color. Sky blue color. Red color. Purple color. Brown color. Yellow color. And there you have it, young artists. I hope you enjoyed this colorful journey with me. And I'll see you next time on Draw Learn Kids.